It is a momentous day for Tel Aviv University. The new building, it is absolutely magnificent. The scientists in the KOUM Center and ABRAMOVICH building are creating pioneering devices and drugs that will directly improve our lives by leading to better healthcare, faster and safer communication system, a cleaner environment, enhanced national security, smarter products, and more efficient energy use. It is the great privilege to honor the benefactors of this outstanding achievement. KOUM has supported at TAU, the Nano building, the International Scholarship Fund, and most recently, the Emergency Fund. Roman Abramovich. He was the first to believe in the project, and it would not have happened without him.
Although this journey has already gone on for 10 years, today is really just the beginning. We are grateful to have played a role in seeing this center come to life, but we now look forward to seeing the progress, contributions, and results that will come out of here.
Here, researchers will have access to the most advanced tools that enable them to see and manipulate matter in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago.
I hope this building will serve for future innovation, inspiration, and collaboration for generations of students and researchers to come.
Whisper words of wisdom